So what you do, first of all, going to dismantle this like so. You know you're going to drop some bits on the floor, don't you? You just knew it. So that's one side done. Right. Just make sure you put the bits back so you know where they are. And don't lose them. It's not going to screw back in though, so. And that will go down there out the way for now. I'll find someone. And then what we do, we'll put on a nice little Yeti. Feels a lot lighter now actually. So bring the arm down, there's a little screw now. I'm not sure if it'll fit. Yeah, right. So I need the adapter. I'm pretty sure it won't fit anyway. That's why it comes with this adapter. Good quality. You only need like a penny or something to do it up with. Just make sure we don't think it matters which way around you put it. So yeah, just screw that into the bottom like so. Do it up as tight as you can. I don't think you really need to use a screwdriver on it, because when you screw it in here it should do it nice and tightly, hopefully. That's going on alright. So, and, you want it, I'm not sure which way around we want it yet, but we'll suss that out in a bit. Right, so that's turning, so that should hold that, yeah. That's that, okay. There you go, so that's your Yeti. So that can come down there, or if you want, you can have it standing up like that. Like I say, I haven't made my mind up yet. Just do these up, and it should hold. And then go, hello, how are you today? And then when you finish with it, you can just move it around like that, and it's out of the way. Yeah? And just be careful, don't whack you in the face. So obviously you don't want it there, do you? Because it's going to be in your way, so you need it down. So the idea is you have it down so a lot. So I might have to move things across a bit. I might even move this over here. Not decided yet. It's something I'm going to play about with and get it right. And obviously I need to tighten this up a bit, which should be quite easy. It's still going down. That's better. So that's nice and tight. So I don't know if it has to be that way round, because the button's on that side. I would have thought it'd be that way round, like so. We'll have that. Just be something like that. So like I say, it'll either be like that, and then you put this arm on here somewhere, and I'll sort that out in a second. I'll read the instructions, and I'll get back to you. And just going to move my head about a little bit, so you know, if I look at the camera like that, it should fade off, and then if I'm talking like this, you should be able to hear me nice and clear. And if I say my P's and my B's, hopefully this thing here will pick it up and stop it going through. So the P's and B's should not be so loud. And if I do this, do that. Yeah, if I go like this, and if I go really close, I will get deeper voice. So I could sound very sexy. Right, so that's it really. I've set it up. It sounds really nice and crisp and clear. My voice is back to normal now, so I won't be using the SteelSeries mic anymore. Well, I don't think I will be. I'll be doing this like this, and I can still wear an headset. Whether I wear this headset or that headset, I'm not sure yet, because the thing I like about that headset is it has that adapter for from changing to gaming and to talking. I can adjust the settings in there. But I want to experiment, so it's going to be a while, see how I get on. And like I always do, I'll leave links in the description, which is a bit in the bottom, in case you decide you want to buy anything. it's not going to cost you any more money if you click on one of the links. They all cost the same. It costs the same price unless you're going somewhere else that can get it cheaper. I got this for £80. It's on Amazon at the moment for £80. It was £119.99, and then when I went to buy it, it was £79.99. So I thought it was really good. Can't remember how much that was. I think it was about a £5, and that was quite expensive, about £60 odd, I think that was. But you know, you get what you pay for. It feels like a good quality. I've done the cabling. I'm quite happy with the cabling there. Make sure you don't put the cable in between because it will get pinched at some point, especially there. So make sure you don't get it pinched. Where I got it now, I moved the microphone about, so I knew exactly where I wanted the cable, and that's where I want it. So that's how I want it. So when I put it away, what I should do is just grab it like that, drop it down like that, see, and I've got the cable just not quite right left. I'll just put it a little bit. It's got plenty of cable. Obviously you don't want to break your wiring, do you? So, and then I would just swing it out of the way like that. And that's it, job done. And look, it goes 360 degrees, so it should be fine. So that's it. If you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like my video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And thank you very much for watching.